What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lights coming at you with another video, and today's video is a Halloween themed nails video, if you could tell by the thumbnail. But we're gonna go on and get started because I got my tips already sized out, and we're gonna start by using this base coat from Beauties and put some base coat all over these nails. So now that we got the base coat on there, we're going to pop those in the light for 30 seconds to cure. And I'm going to be using these two polishes from the Beauties. It's a really pretty orange. It's a little sparkly and a sparkly black. It came in a collection of 20. I'll have it linked down below if you want to pick it up. I got it from Amazon and it was under $20. So now that those are all cured, we are going to start painting them, and I'm going to start with this orange, super pretty, and get these all painted. I apologize, I lost the footage of me painting them, but these are the nails. It is orange and black. Yeah, my camera shut off. Super crazy. But I got these Halloween decals, water decals that I got from Amazon. Super cute. I wanted to use them and make some super cute, fun Halloween nails. So I already cut out the pieces that I want to use, and I'm just going through making sure they're all there. Getting all my tools together, my tweezers that I'm going to need, and I have my little bowl of water. And I'm going to, gotta be careful, you guys. See how I knocked it over and I got some hair on there. So just be careful. I'm gonna get a better nail mat instead of this towel. But I'm going to top coat these black nails because they are finished, and go on and pop them in my light so they can cure. So now I'm just going to take my water decals, and you got to peel off the clear film layer off top. Oh, remember to do that, you guys, okay? Because I didn't, and it did not work out for me. But just put your water decal in the water. It only needs about 20 seconds and it'll be ready. So I'm just getting all the ones that I need ready and put into the water. So my little skeleton. And I'm just making sure that they go all the way in. And now I'm getting this little bat. And it flips, so I'm just going to turn it back over. I don't know if that really makes a difference or not, but yeah. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my water decal out with using my tweezers, and you go on and slide the water decal off of the white paper. And then you're going to want to place your water decal wherever you like on your nail. And you want to be very careful because these decals are very delicate. You can tear them easily. And you want to know exactly where you want to place it because it will stick, okay? So I'm just making sure that it's nice and flat. And I'm just rubbing it in. Alright. So I got my little spider web on. So now I think I'm going to work on my skeleton. Let's go on and grab that and slide the skeleton off. And I'm just going to go and place that exactly where I want it on the nail. And just smooth out the edges. There we go. And then now I'm going to work on my back. The back actually came off the paper, y'all, but I was able to get it off my bowl. And we're just going to pop that on the nail and get that done. And my thumbnail is actually finished. Let me get this paper out the bowl. And I'm just going to work on my other two nails and let you guys watch me work. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my black nails out the lamp because they are all done. And we're going to use the top coat on my orange nails and seal in our water decals. And then we're going to pop those in the lamp for 60 seconds, I'm sorry. And they will be done. Alright, so those are done. Let me put my black nails back on here. And these are my finished Halloween nails. I think they're super cute and super fun. What do you guys think? Oh, I just love them. Super cute, smooth, great deal. Alright, so we're going to go on and get started on my red set of nails. And I have my tips already picked out again. And I'm using the Appraise Gel X nail extension tips in medium coffin, and they're sculpted, just in case if I didn't let you guys know that before. But we're going to start by using our Beauties base coat gel and put base coat all over these nails and pop them in the light and cure them for 30 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to be using this nail polish that I picked up from Amazon. It's called Spot Metha. It's a nail gel soak off UV LED polish, and it's 5 milliliters. And it came in a set of 20. And I'm using the red that's in here, and it's number 62. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. These polishes are pretty nice. I really do like them. The color payoff is great. You usually only need one coat, but in this today I'm using 2 coats just because, you know, I really just loved painting this color on. It was just so pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna go on and do 2 coats of this on all 4 of my nails except for one, and pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure each time. So I got some more water decals, and these ones are a little bit more scarier, some clown faces, and I really thought they were cute. So I'm just going to cut out the ones that I want to use today, and yeah, do the exact same thing like we did with the other nails. So I'm just going to get these in the water, go on and peel off that clear film, and put them in the water and get them ready to use. Alright, so now that these are all done, I'm going to take out the two nails that I'm going to work on, and see, be careful, because I got hair on my nail again, you guys, but I have a new nail mat coming, okay? But I'm just going to take my water decal and get that peeled off the white paper and get that put onto my nail. See, and I already have it done. Sorry about that. I was out of frame when I did it, but it's on there. I'm just looking at it, making sure it's nice. And I'm going to take the second one and do the exact same thing. And I believe you can see me put this one on. I think I was mindful of being in frame. At first, I was like, and then I was like, I'm not in frame. So, yeah. Go on, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Just lay that on there nice and straight, and then I'm just using my tweezers to lay down the sides. And you want to do this really slow and carefully because you don't want it to get it all wrinkled. And I'm just smoothing out my sides. So take your time, you guys. So that's all done. Going to put the nails right there, and yeah, clean up my little area, which I do anyway. Alright, I'm going to take those nails off, and I'm going to top coat my nails with my water decal so we can get those all nice and sealed because these are finished. And then I'm going to pop them in my light for 60 seconds. So now we're going to work on our accent nail, which will be the middle finger with the drip. And I'm taking some of that red polish that I use for all my nails, and I'm putting that on a piece of foil. Then I'm going to take my dotting tool, and I'm going to take the large dot end, and I'm going to dip that into my red polish, and then just make a little dot and then drag that up. And you can do as many of these as you want. I did 3. I did one in the middle and one on each side. It's super easy. Just put a dot and then just drag up. And I'm just checking, making sure everything looks the way I want it to. And so I'm just taking this, and on this side put a dot, and then you just drag up. And once you got your drips done the way you want it, how many you want, you just need to fill in the spacing between the drips and make sure that they all are connected. And that's what I'm doing here. Just making sure they're all connected, all the white is covered, and yeah, make sure it looks really nice. And this is my first time doing this, you guys, and I'm really pleased with the results. This is how it came out. Super cute. So I'm gonna put that in the lamp. Oops, totally forgot these nails were in there, but yeah, let's put that in there and let that cure for 30 seconds. And our clown nails are done. Super cute, super shiny. I'm gonna put those to the side. And there goes my drip nail. It is finished, it's cured, but I am going to put that to the side because I'm going to work on my thumbnail and my pinky nail. So I'm just taking my glitter, and I have this paper laid out because it will get messy, you guys. So just getting my stuff together that I need. So we're gonna take our thumbnail and we're going to use some top coat. And I think I'm using Kiara Sky top coat in this one. And I'm just gonna do a nice thin layer of top coat, not too thick, not too thin, just a nice thin layer, not too thin though, but not too thick, because I usually do thick, and for this I don't want to do too thick. And then once we got the top coat on there, without curing, we're gonna go straight in with our glitter. And I'm using my cuticle pusher, and I'm just dipping that in there, and we're gonna sprinkle that all over the nail and make sure that we get it nice and covered completely. So we're just gonna tap off the excess off the nail, and I'm gonna rub it off my fingers too. And we're done with this one. We're gonna set it to the